baby. 60s, oh. You my up and we can't lose, oh. Got these niggas tryna block my goals. My bitch bougie, I don't fuck broke hoes.
Stick together, get this money like the Jews. She my side, she ain't never had a clue. Cause she love it when I pull up in this coupe. Do your shoes and we're going no boo. Like, baby girl, what you wanna eat? You can order.
Cookie can't make me the goat. Cookie can't come with the throat. Puff, puff, pass. No, you do not want to smoke. Bitches be sleeping on me, but be claiming they woke.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be straightening my hair really, and basically telling you the products that I'm going to use to straighten it. And yeah, that's it. You're just going to see me straightening my hair, nothing more really. But yeah, that's it for this video. And don't forget, if you guys have any more questions, just leave it in the comment box and I'll answer. All the products will be listed in the description box, so y'all ain't missing. You're not gonna be missing out on anything. Yeah, so if you watch my previous video, it was a twist out, I think it was. Yeah, my last video was a twist out routine. So from then I've combed out my twists and then I've re-blow dried it because it got a bit it got back to curly a bit, so I just re-blow dried it. And this time I used a heat protectant by Tresemme, and it's called Biotin Repair. It's really good. Normally I don't use this one. I used another one. I'll put an image here or here, but this one is absolutely amazing. It made my hair soft, and this time, like before, I was complaining about my roots not being straight, but when I used this, it really it made it better. But I'm not going to worry about that too much because I'm going to straighten it today anyway, so I didn't go in with the roots. But yeah, this is actually really good, heat protectant, and it has biotin and other stuff. But I'll put everything in the description box where you guys can buy it. But I bought this from Superdrug. But yeah, I'll put the list of other stores that sell it. Okay, so the straightener that I'm going to use today is the Tresemme Raw. Is the Remington, I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to put a link in the description box. But I got this 3 years ago in, what's it called, first year of uni, before I was coming to university. And it's a wide plate straightener, so it's like the American ones, and it's really good. It goes up to 230. It's the best straightener I've ever used. Like Remington, like I've had a Remington straightener before, but it was the thin plate one. But this one is even better because it's wider plate, and it's yeah, it's just really good. So those are the two products I'm going to use, obviously, apart from a comb and a brush. And yeah, that's it really for this video. I'm gonna part my hair now quickly. I'm gonna start with the back. Where's my comb? So what I'm gonna do is have a hairband. I don't know where my hairband is. So now I'm gonna part it into two sections like last time. Okay, I need my mirror. But yeah, I'm gonna part my hair down in the middle. Cool. So first we're gonna start straightening this side and then this side. So I'm gonna put my hairband and put this Then I'm gonna get my clip. So then now I'm going to make a line for the back for this side. So like I'm gonna do small amounts, well not too small, because I have not got all day. Try makeup party. So the first bit I'm going to straighten will be this bit, and then you can either put this in a hairband or clip it up if you've got one of these crocodile clips. So yeah, that's clipped up, and I'm going to start with this one. So even though I added heat protector when I blow dried it, I'm going to add a little more. Okay, this is annoying. Okay, let me wrap it around here. So yeah, I'm gonna add heat protector to this bit and just spray that, not too much, and then comb it out. I'm not sure if you guys can see that the ends are a bit bushy, but should be fine. But yeah, you can even it depends the amounts that you guys want to take. I might even split this into two again, just to make sure that I proper get the the back because I'm trying to straighten this properly. But yeah, I'm gonna get another clip and clip this bit up. So my straightener's heating up at the moment, so I'm just gonna wait for it to heat up. So the straightener is really hot. It's on 230 degrees, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna straighten this first bit. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna have like a, you don't have to have this, you can use like a brush or anything that you have, but I have a thin tooth comb. Is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called. But what I'm gonna do is that while I'm straightening it, I can't even say that, it's gonna be under. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm gonna put this under as close to my like skin as possible. Obviously I don't want to burn myself, but I'm trying to get this straight, so it's gonna have to hurt me a bit. So I'm gonna put this under. I can't even do it myself. Put this under, yup, and then get the straightener, straighten. You guys, I need to trim my ends. I'm gonna do that when I go back home. I'm gonna do a lot of goes because I don't think it's necessary. And then I'm just gonna go back with my peps at the back. You know them little curly hairs at the back? Yeah, they have to get straightened. But I'm gonna try to do that again because it didn't work the first time. If you're scared of putting the straightener at the back, you can normally go in with a blow dryer and a brush just to like try to straighten it out. I did that, but I think I might have to do it again. But yeah, that's it really. So this is the first strand that I've straightened, so I'm going to do the same with the second and straighten that. I've already applied the heat protectant, so that's cool. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the first one. Put the comb under it, get the straightener. This is hot. One, two. Other times that I wish I had a hot comb, because I was gonna buy one but it was sold out. But with a hot comb you don't have to go like, you know, like with the straightener, what I do is that I pull it so it can get to the roots, or like I said, use a comb. But with a hot comb you will just have to like basically comb your hair, which is from the roots, so it will be fine. But definitely when I straighten my hair next time, I'm gonna make sure I have a hot comb because I just feel like it's gonna be easier. But like this is the long way. But yeah, I'm just making sure that I get to the root. And yeah, I'm not gonna go over this no more, and I'm gonna go on to the next one. So I'm gonna take this big clip out and part the next one. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna hold like the straightener part with a clip so it doesn't get caught in the mix. If it was staying. Yeah, so I've put that there. Clip. So this is the next batch. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna spray it again from the roots and the hair, and then comb it out. Put the comb behind, and then yeah. Can you guys believe like this is the this is actually the second time I've straightened my hair. no sorry, third. The first time I was at a shoot and they straightened it for me, like professionally, and then the other time I did it myself, but it wasn't as good, and then this is the third time. But before that, I've only ever blow dried my hair. I've never been to the hairdressers to do my hair like by professionals. I've only done like braids in the hairdressers, anything. But yeah, it's a little fun fact. Cool, so I'm gonna do the same. Okay, these need to really get out the way. I feel like the roots and the ends are the most important parts of straightening your hair, because if your ends are frizzy, it just doesn't make sense. And then if your roots are bushy, also it doesn't make sense. So that's like, obviously the middle bit, this bit straightens fast, but the ends and the roots, you have to go over it, which is sometimes annoying. But yeah, so now that part is done. I'm gonna continue doing these ones, and then yeah, I'm gonna continue doing this part. I'm just probably gonna speed up this process because it's just me doing the same thing over and over again. But yeah, I'm gonna speed it up, but you guys will see the process of this side, and then just probably speed up this side and then talk to you guys after. So I've done this side, I've straightened this side the best I can. I think I've done an okay job. What's it called, the front of my hair was so hard. Every time I kept flinching because I didn't want it to burn me. But yeah, so yeah, this side is done. I'm gonna go in with and do this side. Hi guys, so I only have this bit left. As you can see, this this bit is done and that bit is done, kind of. So I'm just going to do this on camera, and yeah, so it's literally the same thing that I've been doing that I showed you in the beginning, spraying my scalp and hair kind of with this heat protector. Oh, I got that everywhere. But yeah, and then combing it out. Hi guys, so I've straightened everything. So I'm finally done. What I did now, I just did baby hair. I tried to, you know, little something. I tried to do baby hairs. And yeah, that's it really. What was I gonna say? What did I use? I used the Holy Grail. I used Gummy Wax mixed with, I put Got To Be on top of it just to secure it. And then after, I got my band just to make it like secure. But yeah, that's it really. And yeah, so this is my hair straightened. Let me turn around for y'all. Yeah, so this is it straightened.
Pick a circle in the flesh, circle in shapes. I had to spin around circles with a head.
That's it straightened, and that's how it looks from the back. I'm just thinking what I'm gonna do now. I think that's it. I think I'm gonna do another video on basically how I grew my hair and the journey of my hair journey, and I'm going to insert pictures, so that's going to be in the next video. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any more questions, just put it in the comment box and I'll answer it. But yeah, that's it really.